For over 60 years, the Alaska Marine Highway System has been a lifeline for communities and an icon for travelers seeking adventure in the last frontier. A flotilla of utilitarian ferries servicing over 30 ports. The routes span from Bellingham, Washington through Canada, all the way to the Aleutian Islands. And we're hiring. If you're ready for a little more adventure and a little less of the same old thing, take a look at what we have to offer. AMHS operates the most extensive passenger and vehicle ferry service in the United States, and the deck department leads the fleet with positions of command, including licensed masters, mates, and pilots. From maintaining the exterior of the ship to emergency response and firefighting duties, these mariners keep the ship intact and safe in the most remote and wild place in the country. Navigation in these waters requires skill, expert knowledge, and a passion for the job. The deck department also has the monumental task of organizing and orchestrating where to place vehicles that are all going to different towns. It's a complicated puzzle that takes great focus and skill. Sometimes passengers wonder why they need to arrive early to the ferry, and this is the reason. Licensed deck officers are either graduates of a maritime academy or have gained their knowledge, skills, and abilities through intensive self-study and on-the-job training.
Growing up riding the ferry system and thinking how neat that was when I was growing up, to now be doing it and serving the communities in Southeast and stuff is one of the most rewarding things I think about working here. I mean, we've got people that started out here dishwashers and retired as captains, so I mean, you put your time in and study and things, you can make it what you want of it.
Employees in unlicensed positions are able to perform almost any task in relation to deck maintenance, small boat operations, basic navigation, and seamanship. Entry-level positions here are able-bodied seamen, or ABs for short. While underway, ABs and ordinary seamen follow navigation steering orders from the deck officers and captain. This is a chance to get your sea time under the midnight sun, or northern lights.
I don't know of anything better. I wouldn't want to be sitting in an office cubicle. I mean, compared to that, this is golden. So if you don't want to be cooped up, this is the place to be. Enjoy traveling.
The Alaska Marine Highway System offers a competitive starting pay scale, and new employees qualify for exceptional state of Alaska benefits. Working for the state means having one of the best benefit systems, including medical and dental with family coverage, retirement benefits, and vacation or personal leave. Each job is different, but most people work a favorable rotating schedule. If you think you have what it takes and want to learn more about opportunities on board, explore the AMHS employment page for more information.